In the box, you get the Philips Norelco 5000X shaver, a protective cap for the blades, a USB charging cable, the warranty and the user guide. Unfortunately, there is no wall charger, only the USB cable, and there is no storage bag either. I have the orange and dark blue version, and I really like the design. It looks modern, clean, and a little different from the usual black or silver shavers. The body is made of plastic, but it feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap or fragile at all. Everything feels tight and well assembled. The grip is very good. The handle has a textured surface that helps you hold it firmly, and I personally find it very pleasant to hold. The material is smooth and the shape is really ergonomic. The shaving head moves and flexes in all directions to follow the shape of your face, and there are a total of 27 self-sharpening blades doing 56,000 cutting actions per minute. One extra nice little thing is that the shaver can stand on its own, which is useful when you store it on your bathroom shelf. Alright, let's put it to the test, and I'll come back right after to give you my full verdict. So after testing this Philips 5000X, let's start with the most important thing, the shave quality. Because that's what really matters at the end of the day. And I have to say, the result on my skin was really good. Really clean, really soft. You could feel the blades working well, no pulling, no dragging. The shaver follows the curves and catches the hairs very well. The blades are gentle and precise. That soft, clean feeling you want after a good shave, this shaver gives you that. The only area where I had some irritation was around the Adam's apple, down the neck. But I want to be honest with you, this is something I get with almost every electric shaver I test. It is more about my skin and my face shape than the shaver itself. And even there, the irritation was less than what I usually get with other shavers I tested, like the Philips 3000 series or even the Leifen P3 Pro. So overall, this is one of the most comfortable shavers I've used. The wet and dry feature works well. You can use it in the shower without problem. And cleaning is very simple. Press the button on the side, the shaving head opens and you rinse it under water. Very easy and convenient. Battery life is solid. 1 hour of charging gives you 50 minutes of use. And if you are in a hurry, 5 minutes of charging is enough for one full shave. Overall, this is a very good shaver that will suit most men. If your budget is around $80 and you are looking for a great daily shaver that shaves clothes, feels comfortable on the skin and has a solid battery life, I can only recommend it. The Amazon link is in the description. I hope my review will help you choose the best shaver for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.